Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are good and well. So, in this video, we will talk about what is blockchain. A blockchain is a distributed database or ledger shared among a computer networks nodes. They are best known for their crucial role in cryptocurrency system for maintaining a secure and decentralized record of transaction, but they are not limited to cryptocurrency uses. Blockchain can be used to make data in any industry immutable, the term used to describe the inability to be alerted because there is no way to change a block. The only trust needed is at a point where a user or a program enters data. This aspect reduces the need for trusted third parties, which are usually editors or other human that add cost add cost the make mistakes. Since Bitcoin's introduction in 2009, blockchain uses have exploded via the creation of various cryptocurrencies, decentralized finance applications, non-fungible token, and smart contracts. So, key takeaways, let's talk about OnNet. Blockchain is a type of shared database that differs from a typical database in the way it stored information. Blockchain store data in block linked together via cryptography. Different type of information can be stored on a blockchain, but the most common use for transaction has been as ledger. In Bitcoin's case, blockchain is decentralized so that no single person or group has control. Instead, all users collectively retain control. Decentralized blockchain are immutable, which mean that the data entered is irreversible. For Bitcoin transaction are permanently recorded and viewable to anyone. How does a blockchain work? So let's talk about on that. You might be familiar with spreadsheet or databases. A blockchain is somewhat similar because it is a database where information is entered and stored. But the key difference is a traditional database or spreadsheet or a blockchain is how the data is structured and accessed. A blockchain consists of program called script that conduct the tasks you usually would in a database, entering and accessing information or saving and storing it somewhere. A blockchain is distributed, which means multiple copies are saved on many machines and they must all match for it to be valid. The blockchain collects transaction information and enters into a block like a cell in the spreadsheet contain information. Once it is full, the information is the information is run through an inscription algorithm which create a hexadecimal number called the hash. The hash is then entered into the following blockchain header and encrypt the with the other information in the block. This creates a series of blocks that are chained together. Transaction process. Transactions follow a specific process depending on the blockchain they are taking place on. For example, on Bitcoin's blockchain, if you initiate a transaction using your cryptocurrency wallet, the application that provides an interface for the blockchain, it starts a sequence of events. In blockchain, your transaction is set to a memory pool where it stores a queue until a miner or validator pick it up. Once it is entered into a block and the block fill up, with the transactions. It is closed and encrypted using a encryption algorithm. Then the mining begin. The enters network works simultaneously trying to solve the hash. Each one generate a random hash except for the nonce, short for numbers used once. Every miner start with the nonce to zero, which is appended to their randomly generated hash. If that number isn't equal to a less than the target hash, a value of 1 is added to the nonce and new block hash is generated. This continue until the mine generate a valid hash, winning the race to the receiving the reward. So this is our video on what is a blockchain and how it works. So I hope you get some information from this video. See you in the next one.